Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Google Trends and automate topic discovery with AI. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Google Trends website. Once you're on the home page, locate the search bar at the top. Type in a topic of interest to explore current trends related to it. Review the trending charts and data to identify popular topics. To download data, scroll down to find the Trending Searches section. Click on the three vertical dots in the upper right corner of that section. Select Download from the drop-down menu. The data will be downloaded as a CSV file to your device. Next, open your preferred programming environment or software. If you're using Python, ensure you have the necessary libraries installed, such as Pandas. To install Pandas, run the command pip install pandas in your terminal. Once Pandas is installed, import the library in your script using import pandas as PD. Now, load the CSV file by using pd.read_csv, your_file.csv. This will allow you to manipulate and analyze your downloaded data. To automate topic discovery, consider using an AI model, such as OpenAI's GPT-3. Access the OpenAI API by signing up and retrieving your API key. In your Python script, import the OpenAI library using import OpenAI. Set up your API key by using OpenAI.API_key equals your_API_key. Create a function that takes your trending topics and queries the AI for related content. Use the AI's response to generate new topic ideas based on the trends you downloaded. Test your automation by running the script and reviewing the AI-generated suggestions. Make any necessary adjustments to improve the output. Finally, save your new topic ideas for future use or analysis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.